What's going on, guys? Muhammad with Express Car Reviews. I want to show you how to replace the air filter on your car. It's super important that you replace your engine air filter every 20 to 30,000 miles to keep your car running smooth, to give you good gas mileage, and the engine, the idles, to make it perfectly healthy. This is often a very overlooked part. You know, we keep replacing our engine oil, but a lot of people they just forget about the air filter. So in this video, it's a 2002 Toyota Sequoia, but it's often, you know, almost, I want to say like 95% of the time it's the same on every car. So stay tuned. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe and the bell button. Is going to help me out a lot. All right, guys, so first thing first, you want to locate the air box on the car. So normally it's on the outside, on up top. So there's the air intake right here, and this is the box where the air filter is at. Your air filter is going to be right inside there. Most of the time it has clips on all around it, on all corners. Like this one, you just gotta open it up basically to unlock it. So we're gonna go ahead and release all of them, and then as you can see, the air filter should open right up. We're just gonna go ahead and open it, and it should come right out. And let me go ahead and put the phone. So we're just gonna go ahead and lift that one up, the air box, and then at the same time take out the air filter. You'll be able to see it from the inside. Be careful not to cause any cracks. Looks like our filter is somewhat dirty, so we're gonna go ahead and replace it. Make sure not to crack this area right here. This is normally, sometimes over the years, this is rubber and plastic. It can easily crack. So just be delicate and gentle with this area right here so you don't cause any cracks, so the air won't leak out. Now we're gonna go ahead and put the new air filter in, and we're good to go. 2 minutes. And if there's any dirt inside the air box, make sure to remove that before you put the new filter in. And then you just go ahead and lock. Don't forget to lock this box so you don't leak any air outside. Just like that. And there's one more in here. And make sure this is nice and steady, nothing loose or nothing cracked. And that's it, guys. That's how you replace the air filter in your car. It's the same process in almost every car. If you like this video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And until next time, peace.